Hi, this is Janet, and I'm coming to you with a little bit different use for your ScraPerfect Best Glue Ever. I was searching on the internet, and I found that a couple of ladies have been using the glue for their nails and applying their foil. Well, I have foil from ScraPerfect already, so I was going to use this to place on my nails. And to begin, I'm just going to take the Best Glue Ever and apply it to my fingernail and use a paintbrush to thin it out. And then I want to wait for it to dry and become tacky. You want to have a generous coat, but not too excessive on your nail. Alright, I'm going to let this dry, and I will be back to show you the foil in just a minute. When the glue dries, it's clear on your nail, but it remains sticky. So I'm going to take my foil and lay it on top, and then just give it a press. You can check to see how well it's sticking. And if you need to add a little bit more, you can just move on to another piece of foil and fill in the gaps. So once that's on, if you just want to tap it lightly to make sure it's all down, clean off any of the edges where you might have had some glue, and then just cover that with a basic clear nail polish. I will give you a heads up. I am working on my nails that have a dipped gel nail on it, and I thought, well, since it was a dipped nail, I would use the dipped nail clear on top, and it actually activated with it and made it kind of murky, so I switched to just a clear based nail polish. So what I had used was this for gel nails, and it took the shine away and made it dull. So I just wanted to point that out to you. But there is my foiled nail using all of the ScraPerfect materials.